For the next step, we're going to process the index color of each image. Now go ahead and open up one of them on Photoshop. Go to Image, Mode, Indexed Color, and it will open up this window. Now you would want to go to Uniform first and then change the color number into 9, and then you want to drop it down again and go to Custom. What will happen is it will give you this color table, and you can actually click on that and sample any colors that you want. You want the color to be a gradient of light to dark. It doesn't matter what's the hue, but you can have it from light to dark. There's some really good websites that you can refer to. One is colors.com or Coolers. You can actually create your own palette, and while hitting space, it will generate random hues, and then if you like one of them, you can click on them to save and lock, and it will try to match to the color that you like. Or you can actually go ahead to more, and you can pick palette from photo, and then you can browse an image and then upload it, and it will pick the color palette for you. Or you can actually go and browse the trending color palettes. Another website is called canva.com, and you can upload an image and it will pick the color palettes for you. The other is palettegenerator.com, and you can actually adjust the number of colors that you want depending on the sample that you gave. Now go back to Photoshop and assign the colors that you want. I always leave the beginning as white and the end as black. You can always copy the hex code over here from the website that I just showed you. So for example, I want to take that color. You can go ahead and copy it and go back to Photoshop and paste it here. It will give you the exact color. Do that until you fill in all the color table. After you finish picking your colors, you can go ahead and click OK. And it will display exactly how you want it to be. If you're not satisfied with this color scheme, you can always go back here and go to Custom and change the colors again. Then hit OK, and it will display it as what you want. Let's say we're happy with this color scheme, and then you want to go to options down here, matte, none, and dether pattern. After that, you can hit OK. Now it will give you this kind of process image. You want to go ahead to image mode and bring it back to RGB color because you want it to be workable, and then you can unlock the layer. Now we want to delete the backgrounds and leave it as transparent. So go ahead to select color range, and it will bring you this window. You can go to select, drop it down and sample color, and you can go and sample the white background. And then you want to bring the fuzziness down to 0 and hit OK. It will automatically select the white color and go ahead and delete it. After that, Control D, deselect, and then go to File, Save As. In the file location that you want, give the name underscore indexed, and save as type PNG, then hit save. Then hit OK. And you want to do this process to all of your layers. For each layer, it doesn't need to have the same color palette. You can play around with different color palettes for different layers. However, you want every layer to exist in the same color family. For example, this image has a muted, ashy, and cool quality to it, so I want other layers to be in the same family. You can also use some colors from the previous palettes and change 3 to 4 other colors to tie them closer. After processing all the colors, go ahead and open one of them in Photoshop. Then you can drag the remaining index images into Photoshop. Then you want to arrange the layer as such. Furniture on top, then wall ornaments, base, and then background at the bottom. Now, go ahead, File, Save As. While in the folder that you want, go and name it a rectangular final, and then change the type into PNG, and then hit Save. Then hit OK, and you're done.